In this video, I'll show you how you can change the appearance of your character in GTA 5 Online. So all you have to do is simply bring up the interaction menu. So press M on your keyboard if you're on PC. If you're on PS5, press and hold the touchpad, or if you're on Xbox, press and hold the view button. And then from here, scroll down and select appearance, and then choose change appearance. Now keep in mind this will cost you 100,000 in-game currency, so select that. And then this will take you to this point. And then from here, you can change a couple of things. You can change the heritage, you can change the features and all the other options that are currently available. So appearance, you can change the eyebrows, all these options that are currently available. And once you're done, you can simply select save and continue. And now that will change your character appearance. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.